Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow Talk English. I am Emma.
And I am Mark. We are so happy you are here to practice with us today. How are you feeling, Emma?
I am feeling great, Mark. The weather is beautiful and I am ready to talk. What about you?
I am doing wonderful. You know, I love these conversations because they help our friends around the world feel more confident.
Exactly. And today we have a very important topic. We are talking about family. We will also talk about jobs, what our family members do every day.
That is a classic topic. But before we start, dear listeners, if you enjoy our slow conversations, please hit the subscribe button right now.
Yes, and don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more lessons for you. Thank you so much.
So, Emma, let's dive in. Tell me about your family. Is it a big family or a small family?
My family is quite small, actually. I live with my husband and my 2 children. I have 1 son and 1 daughter. What about you, Mark?
Oh, my family is the opposite. It is very big. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters.
Wow, that is a lot of siblings. 5 siblings. Is your house very noisy?
Yes, it was very noisy when we were children, but now we all have our own homes. My brothers and sisters are my best friends.
That is so sweet. You know, for our beginners listening, the word siblings just means brothers and sisters. It is a very useful word.
That's right. Emma, do you live near your parents?
No, I don't. My parents live in a different city. It is about 3 hours away by car. I visit them once a month. I miss them sometimes.
I understand. I live very close to my mother. She lives just 10 minutes away. I see her every Sunday for dinner.
Sunday dinner. That is a lovely tradition. What do you usually eat?
My mother makes the best roast chicken. We sit around the table for a long time. We talk, we laugh, and we enjoy our time together.
Mark, you mentioned you have many siblings. Are you all similar or are you different?
Oh, we are very different. My older brother, David, is very serious. He likes to follow the rules. But my younger sister, Lily, she is very outgoing and funny. She is always telling jokes.
I like Lily already. My husband is very laid back. For those who don't know, laid back means he is very relaxed. He doesn't get stressed easily.
That is a good personality to have. My father is also laid back, but my mother is very organized. Everything in her house must be in the right place.
My mother is the same. She is very supportive too. Whenever I have a problem, I call her. She always gives me great advice.
That is so important. Family is our support system. Even if we are stubborn sometimes, when we don't want to change our minds, family loves us anyway.
Let's talk about what they do. This is great for our title today. Learn how to talk about your job. Mark, what are your siblings' jobs?
Well, my brother David is an engineer. He works for a big company that builds bridges. He is very busy.
An engineer? That sounds like a difficult but interesting job.
It is. And my sister, Lily, the funny one, she is a teacher. She teaches English to small children.
That is perfect. She must be a very fun teacher.
She is. The children love her. What about your family, Emma? What does your husband do?
My husband is a chef. He works in a busy Italian restaurant. He loves cooking pasta and pizza.
Oh, I'm jealous. Does he cook at home too?
Sometimes, but usually I cook at home. He says he is too tired after working in the kitchen all day.
I can imagine. My younger brother is currently unemployed, actually. He's looking for a job in marketing. It's a bit stressful for him right now.
I hope he finds a job soon. To our listeners, unemployed means he does not have a job at the moment, but he is looking.
Emma, this has been such a nice chat. I feel so relaxed.
Me too, Mark. Talking about family and jobs always feels so natural. Friends, now it is your turn.
Yes, we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments below. How many people are in your family and what is your job?
We read every comment and we love learning about your lives. It helps us feel like one big English learning family.
Exactly. Before we go, please remember, if you liked this conversation, give us a thumbs up. That's the like button.
And please subscribe to Slow Talk English so you never miss an episode. Share this video on your WhatsApp or Facebook so other people can learn too.
Thank you for practicing your English with us. Every minute you listen, you're getting better.
Keep going. You are doing amazing. See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.